Hello, my name is Cardia Day. This is my presentation video for stage 2 of rebranding the Australian Greens Party. First up is my concept board. This shows a range of related imagery, graphics and colours which were useful in going through the design process. Most of the focus for me here was representing productive conversation, mostly surrounding environmental issues. This is shown in the concept board through imagery of people talking, people protesting, speech bubbles and megaphones. The environmental aspect is shown in the repeated feature of the colour green and imagery relating to the environment. Moving on to the sketches, here there was a lot of thought about environmental policies like wind turbines and solar panels, as well as elements from nature such as leaves and plants. Some symbols like birds, flames and torches reflect passion and freedom. The peace sign and doves reflect peace, and there's some earth imagery here as well. The sketching led to my 3 proposals, which were a leaf enveloping speech bubbles to reflect productive conversations regarding the environment, a torch with a light bulb indicating making new strides in the political sphere, and finally an arrangement of leaves and a flame, representing the need for change in terms of our environmental policies. Concept 1 was chosen. The refinement saw different experiments to adhere to geometric lines and shapes, with circles, corners, round edges being explored, but the final was reached at the bottom right. Moving on to type, I tried an array of fonts, testing serif, sans serifs, and different use of capitalization. I then experimented with placement and scale, which helped me to land on the finals shown here. The finals have been refined to ensure corners, edges, and type follow the grid. Finally, the rationale explains how the shades of green used reflect the emphasis on environmental policies, as well as pays homage to the history of the Australian Greens Party. The colour contrast also allows for scalability. The symbolism of the speech bubbles and the leaf reflect communication statement, where the branding will position the party to amend its stance to appeal to economic policies further along the spectrum towards the Labor Party, meaning more ideas will be taken on board to compromise and fight for environmental sustainability together. The typeface chosen for the letter mark was Fat Frank Heavy, which is a modern sans serif font. Its clear, bold form makes it very legible, as well as brings a confident aesthetic to the brand mark. The font allows to create a flow to the typeface used for the tagline, Montserrat Regular, which is also a modern sans serif font. The contrast of the line weight enables the letter mark to attract the viewer's attention. Overall, the combined brand mark demonstrates the communication statement through a simple yet unique design.